The surge of bicycle users since this pandemic started has quadrupled in numbers. One LGU in Metro Cebu has stepped up their campaign for safer roads. Mandaue City had been installing bike lanes on their streets since mid of last year. Aside from that, they have also opened a bicycle repair station for all bicycle users that may encounter problems along their way. Just this morning, February 4, 2021, bike lanes have been spotted in Mandaue City's North Reclamation area. It seems that Mandaue LGU is serious in putting up bike lanes all over their city. Best practice indeed, and something for others could look into implementing in their jurisdictions. Last year, Ayala Land Properties operated Cebu Business District and ID Park have started their bike lanes campaign too by installing barriers on designated bike lanes in their area of jurisdiction. Recently, bike lanes were also spotted in the municipality of Cordoba's Centennial Avenue. Maybe there are already other cities that have also started installing bike lanes on their roads and highways. Surely we will spot them sooner or later. Roads are beginning to look a lot safer today than it was any time in the past.